You know, the Family Search project in Ogden was a wonderful job for us. We really enjoyed it. It was a high-profile job. The Family Search organization wants to brand themselves as the unique source for family history and genealogy. Everything in the building has a branding element to it, from the squares in the graphic logos to the large images of people in historical image fashion, murals of modern day city, and the lifestyle. It's all about family. You know, the graphics placed inside of the Family Search building are just awe-inspiring. When you walk into that building, you know immediately, you feel it, you see it, you have great sense that you're in a place where family is important. As a graphic supplier for this Family Search job, we were given images, raw images from old photos. We had to take that image and size it to a space on a wall, whether it was around a doorway or encompassing an entire wall from floor to ceiling, edge to edge on the wall, and crop it properly. Our installers did a great job working on this project. One challenging area was the wraparound wall covering for the Ogden mural. To get up into the air duct system and cut around those ducts and weave that graphic up in there and then get it around the corner and be square and look nice and have all of the seams be hidden. That's quite a challenge. So why would Ogden Blue and Vision Graphics be a strong contender, a good reason to use for a project like this? I think the answer to that is because of our experience. We know large graphics. We know what needs to go in as far as product, scale of size, and how to do it. You know, another thing that I think stands out for us in work like this is our relationships with the architects. They can come to us and look to us as the expert. They're asking, what kind of material should we put on the wall? How does it go on? How are you going to put this on? We have the technology and the skills to make that happen.